I know what you're thinking. Another Facebook online course. What can it possibly do for me, right? Well, I'm here to tell you something a little bit different. I was on Facebook not long ago, and I ran into this step-by-step success with Facebook marketing. I said, this might be a great opportunity for me to really get into my Facebook marketing, because I am learning just so much, like setting up a Facebook business page the proper way. And believe me, there is some things behind the scenes of setting up a Facebook page a correct way. You really need to know how to do that. That's just foundational things that you need to know. And now I know how to engage my fans. I know how to get into the backside of Facebook and develop my ads for reaches and traffic to my website, pixels on my website. There's just so much I'm learning right now. And as you can probably tell, I'm pretty excited about this. But there's even more. There's our Facebook coaching calls that David gives once or twice a month. And he goes over the program, he adds in what he's always learning, and he's giving it to us. And then there's a Facebook mastermind group where we have like-minded people like myself in the group, and we're all feeding off each other, we're all communicating with each other, and how to better our business, how to get more customers, how to sell our products in a much faster way. I'll tell you something. This Facebook marketing program, the step-by-step with Facebook marketing, is the best course I've seen on the internet in a very long time.